This is legit the best day ever. It's straight up powder. We're skiing in April and the views are insane.
Good morning. This video is going to be a little bit different from the other ones because it's going to be shot almost entirely on our GoPro.
But yesterday we met some friends while eating dinner and they convinced us to go snowboarding / skiing. I'm gonna go snowboarding, Ruthie's gonna go skiing. We don't have any gear at all. Ruthie's wearing leggings and I'm wearing joggers. We're gonna rent some gear, but we're really excited just to get to ski Mont Blanc.
The lodge that we're staying at partners with the local rental agency, so we get 45% off of our rentals, and lift tickets are actually a lot cheaper than they are in the States.
All right, guys, we'll see you on the slopes.
Right now we're walking over to get our stuff from the ski shop. It's super cold right now and we don't have any gloves. This is wild. And that is where we're going. We found the ski shop.
Local.
So we just got our gear. Ruthie's got some little skis. I still have no gloves. Ruthie was able to borrow gloves and pants, which is awesome. Some girl left them there by accident, so she was able to get them. Luckily for me, it's pretty sunny, so hopefully I don't fall and I won't need gloves or pants. Pretty awesome. For 28 bucks, we got helmet, snowboard, ski, helmet. Cold. We've never thought that we'd be skiing in Europe. This is one thing I've always wanted to do, and I'm super happy that we're doing this right now.
I can't believe how lucky we are.
Yeah, now time to get the lift tickets. I still can't believe we're doing this right now. I just made it up to the top. Check out this view. We're literally surrounded by mountains. Super pumped. I'm so happy that we decided to do this today. This guy convinced us to come out here to Mont Blanc to go snowboarding, so about to do this.
Thanks, Alex.
Thanks, Alex, the homie. Guys. This is so wild. This is incredible. Ruthie, you're looking good. How do you feel?
Much better than what we're used to in the East Coast. This is so nice.
This is legit the best day ever. It's straight up powder. We're skiing in April and the views are insane.
We just started. I feel really good. I'm really excited. This is what skiing is like in France. You can ski around here and also get to Italy and to Switzerland. And I'm just really excited. This is probably the last time we're going skiing in like 2 or 3 years.
This is incredible. Look at Ruthie, she really looks like a snowboard bro right now. She's wearing a sweatshirt and the goggles and the blue helmet. You're peacocking out here.
Yeah.
Alex has been throwing down the British slang. What was the word for getting tired again? Knackered. Are you knackered? Just a bunch of blokes on the slopes today.
Fancy you got the airbag?
What?
What?
Fancy you got the airbag? Did you see
Oh, the...
Fancy?
Honestly,
airbag?
like,
Yeah,
British people
yeah.
ask things in such a proper manner, and I love it. Fancy. All right, we're getting off this now. Oh, we gotta lift this up. I'm good to go.
is so beautiful. Right now we're on a red run, which they don't have in the States. But it's between a blue and a black, and we're having so much fun.
This is the best day ever. I'm so happy we did this. Who can say they went skiing in Mont Blanc on a whim too? This is beautiful. Let's continue on this run.
All right.
My bindings came off. That's what happens when you rent stuff.
So opera ski is pretty much it translates to after ski in French, and essentially after you ski you go and get some food, some drinks, and just like hang out and reflect on the day.
Party.
And in British slang, what opera ski translates to is you get properly pissed. You get shiters, man.
Look at these airplanes. Hey, we just did our first maybe like 4 or 5 runs, and it's not even noon yet, and we're just so happy to be here.
I think what we're gonna do is we might stop for lunch, and after that we're gonna head to another part of the mountain. So we're gonna take a bus, head over there, and then do more runs. Look at this lunchtime view. This is the best view ever with lunch.
Can you see it? Oh, and there's a bird.
Whoa, is that, oh, that's a reflection of the other mountain. We haven't looked for Ross yet. We only have Alex, me, Ruthie.
Hey guys.
We lost Ross.
Can't find him?
Not here, by the look of it. All I know about him is about Ross and I'm supposed to find that man. Don't worry about it, man. I'll find out.
We're trying to find our other friend. His name's Ross from New Zealand, and he's a farmer. And we realize that's all we know about him. We don't know
We
anything
don't know
else.
anything else except his face is incredibly red, and his eyes are so red because he didn't put on any sunscreen yesterday.
Sorry, Ross.
Sorry, Ross.
All right, hopefully we find you. Did you get French fries?
Yeah.
How much are they?
Fresh cream cheese. But what do you put on the cream cheese? What the hell? This thing
It's a
is.
dessert.
Wait, can someone tell me what type of dessert is just fresh cream cheese?
I actually used to eat cream cheese like plain.
Just met some Aussie friends. They said that we could live at their house when we moved to Australia, so this is awesome.
His name is Lenning, aka Reverse Burp.
Reverse verb. We have a YouTube channel, so you're gonna be on it, Lenning.
Yeah, okay, cool.
All right. What is your name?
My name is Maya.
And you guys live in Sydney, right?
You live in Sydney.
Come visit.
Yeah.
Address, it might be wrong.
We should head out.
All right,
We're gonna go to
maybe
another part
I
of the
would like
mountain.
to use the toilet. Now we're gonna go back down to the base and start a new section of the mountain.
No, this is the best day ever. We're really, really, really happy that we came here and that we did this. This was a surprise to us.
Every day in the mountains keeps getting better and better.
Yeah. This is the best way to do Chamonix.
I gotta pop off my skis.
Look at Ruthie. She legit looks like a snowboard bro.
Yeah, but I'm on skis.
Yeah, but look at
Do you know what part of it, what part we're on right now?
Grand Montet. Grand Monet.
Oh yeah, something in French.
So we just made it over to Grand Monet.
Where were we
Took
before?
like 30 minutes to get here.
Brava.
Yeah.
So not bad.
Uh-huh.
We'll check out what this mountain's like.
Mm-hmm.
This
There's,
prep is pretty good.
We go all the way to the top, or as far as we can. The top area is closed. We'll get very high up, and there's a red trail. And it comes all the way from there, all the way down to the bottom. So we're gonna see if we can do that one. And then see what time it is, and hopefully we can do a few more runs after that. We're taking the bus back to the hostel. Opera ski.
Hey! We're doing red.
Oh, I forgot to strap in all the way.
Welcome to Ruthie and Hammer. The best decision we made was to just go impromptu skiing in Mont Blanc.
Like, these past few days have been the most amazing. The Alps in France and Switzerland are so beautiful, and you're just not gonna know until you see it.
Y'all want to go off the edge right here? Look at that. Empty. So the current run that we're on right now is super choppy. I would say the reds here are actually equivalent to blacks in America.
Yeah, the one difference that I've noticed, at least on a day like today, is that it's not really icy like we're used to in the States. So it's super nice, but they are a little bit more choppy because of all the slush, because it's actually really warm outside. But it's been great. I haven't fallen once, and neither has Hammer.
We're doing good.
Take my strong hand.
Here, I got it.
Let's do this. Really narrow, guys. So right now we're doing the traverse, which takes us all the way over to a different area to spend the last maybe 30 minutes on this mountain. I fell, did you see it?
Yeah, I think he did as well.
Yeah, well that was my fault because I like fell and he was right behind me.
Dude, that was crazy.
Yeah, I'm sorry I made you fall. What?
Did you watch me?
Yeah, I saw how far down you were.
I was not even on the trail anymore.
All right, guys, we're gonna see you at the bottom. Bye. Are you okay?
Yeah. That was a great fall.
I'm so happy you're okay.
My butt felt like it got torn apart. The worst part about falling, that was my first fall of the day. And it sucks because I had no gloves, so I couldn't stop myself. My arms don't, like my hands don't stop.
You did so well just before then.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. This is steep. Yeah. How do you feel now?
I feel great.
Okay, good. Love you.
My butt is
I'm really sorry, Hammer. I meant to get your footage when you were skiing really well, snowboarding really well. I'm really sorry that I didn't get it because I know that that was one of the best you've ever snowboarded. And then of course, as soon as I put the camera on you, then you fell, and I'm really sorry.
Guys, we hope you like this. This view is amazing. And we really hope that this makes you want to come to Chamonix and Mont Blanc.